Hi, I'm Simon from Henley, and I'm here today to teach you how to set up your Pro-Ject record player. This is how a Debut SE3 will look out of the box. So what we've got to do is undo everything that kept it safe during transit. The first thing to do is release the arm. The next step would normally be to remove the motor transit screws, which are here and here. But because we're using the Debut SE3, we don't have to because it's got the improved motor suspension. The next step is then to place the drive belt around the small rung of the pulley and around the whole circumference of the sub-platter. We do this before finally placing the main platter in place over the sub-platter. Now that the main setup's done, we're left with the more critical task of weighing the arm correctly. To do this, we first remove the stylus protector and then place the counterweight solidly on the back of the arm.
You then carefully take the arm out of its rest, and for a process of trial and error, move the counterweight forwards and backwards until the arm is completely balanced.
Once we have this free floating, we return the arm to its rest and then rotate the front only section of the counterweight so that the 0 is facing up and in line with the marker on the back of the arm. From this position, all that's left to do is apply the correct downforce to the cartridge already installed onto the arm. In the case of the Debut SE3, we're using the OM10 Super, so the optimum tracking force is 1.6 grams or 16 millinewtons. So all we have to do is firmly grip the arm and rotate the whole cartridge counterclockwise, also the numbers ascend, until 16 is in front of the dial. Now all that's left to do is place the small anti-skate weight over the middle groove at the back of the arm and hang it from its support hoop. And there you have it, your Pro-Ject deck is now set up and ready to give you hours of listening pleasure. Remember, if you've got any problems, just give us a call, we're happy to help.